Here's a fun one for you, Will. Google Maps for Android has quietly added new vehicle icons.
Oh, that's cute.
And
Not bad.
here's the thing. I know you're the icon guy,
Yeah.
right? I know you're the branding guy, the design guy, the VR guy, the finance guy.
A guy of things.
You're the guy, as far as I'm concerned. But actually, when I saw this story, I thought you're really the guy for it because these icons reminded me of old drawings that you showed me of cars.
Yeah.
Your old art that you used to do.
Yeah.
Willdoart.com or something like that. Is that what it was?
I think so. I don't have that website.
I'm just you didn't know I was dropping all this right here.
Yeah.
I caught you off guard. Is that willdoart.com or what?
I think so. But I don't have that URL anymore.
What'd you
can
do,
try and
man?
check.
What happened?
I think I stopped paying for it. And they're like, hey.
Dude,
money
go look
time.
at it now. Willdoart.com.
Is it?
You shouldn't have let
appropriate
that
then?
lapse, man. That's a nice URL. You could have kept that thing for $5.
Yeah. Well, it's not loading anymore.
Yeah, it loaded for me. Oh.
Is it the right URL?
I got willdoart.com.
Oh. It redirected me after it.
It's sketchy right now.
Forward.
Yeah, it's sketchy right now.
That's strange.
I have High Hall. Yeah, this is what I have.
Oh.
High Hall game. I see the NBA. I see League of Legends, Dota, CSGO. I mean, I don't know. I don't know exactly what it is, obviously, but I feel like you should have kept that domain up. Anyway, Willie Doo used to be an artist. You got to go look for his old artwork. It's highly valuable at this point.
Yeah.
And he's sketching, and he's the guy who's on the streetcar, and he's just in the corner. He's just sketching, very, very artistic looking. You remember those days?
Long time ago.
Yeah. Oh, wow. You're reminiscing. You're tearing up right now.
No.
Tearing up. Single tear. Anyway, so he showed me some icons. They weren't meant to be icons at the time. Little did he know Google would be inspired by his cartoon-looking cars that he was drawing, which are now inside of Google Maps for Android. And I have to say, I like them. They're very friendly, cartoony look, but they're 3D, which I like.
Yeah. Very cool.
But I don't know.
Very cool.
I don't really know what you do. So you choose a vehicle icon, and then, oh wow, that's actually that's so cool. So you could pick a truck, you could pick an SUV, you could pick a car, and then it replaces your ugly triangle or pointer, and you get the car instead. So that's kind of cool. A nice little 3D vehicle icon, turn, spin, and move in real time, just like the regular arrow. It's not a huge UI tweak, but it's a nice little touch. Keep an eye out for it on your Google Maps so you can navigate just like Willie Doo. Willdoart.com.